Here it is, it arrived, my GoPro 13. Here we go. Comes in this nice box here. I guess it comes with some kind of bag here. So open this up and we'll check it out here. Shows you all the parts and everything. There we go. Box everything and put this thing together. Here are all the parts laid out. Here you have the actual camera, there's the tripod, there's the microphone, there's the flash, there's the battery, and there's a few other parts, USB, and there's other kind of connectors. This is where you can put the camera in when you put it on the tripod. So I'm going to try to put this together now. Let's see. Looks like it could be pretty easy, but we'll see. Okay, so yesterday I ran into a little snag where I actually had my camera flasher here. It actually, I put it on backwards, and I guess this has happened before. So if you look at it here, when you put it on, always be careful because it actually goes on backwards sometimes. I'm not going to do it again, but actually getting that off was a real pain. So anyway, this is, I've tested this out. It's pretty good. Just got to get used to it. There's quite a few things that you have to learn, but it's good. And I'm going to be creating some videos soon for it. One thing I want to show you here is this actually connects this way. Now that seems easy enough, but there's actually some little flaps here you can take off, or I'm sorry, put up here and do that. Because there's also some other connectors you have that will connect to it. So, but that seems to be the easiest way. There's also a magnetic one, which you can actually use here for that. And that is the magnetic one right there. See, when you put this down, you can actually put on there and it will actually go because the magnet, you'll actually feel it there, the magnet right there. Not going to do that though, but that's one of the other options there. Then you have this here, which actually you can put on a helmet or maybe your car, but it is kind of on an angle there, so I'm not sure how well that would fit on a car back on the windshield. But yeah, this is something where you got the M3 stickers there. And I heard you can actually get quite a few of those for cheap online. That's at least what somebody else said. Put this together here. I put that screw there on the one of the flaps that came down, and I connected this, so this will connect here. So you can use this to actually control it, press it, and it'll record. Now you'll see the red light here. This red light will go off as soon as you unplug this. It didn't really tell me that, but I figured that out. So that will happen. You can also charge this through. There's another option, actually, same place here, where you can actually use this cable right here, USB-C, to charge it, which is actually how I first charged it. Now this I showed you earlier with the 3M sticker here, but you actually can put these together if you go here and you basically pinch this in and it'll slide in there and it will go in there. It's hard for me to do this with the camera, holding the camera, but if you do that, it will slide in like that. And there you go. Actually, what you have to do is you have to move this up and then you pinch these and then you slide it across so it'll go in there. So then you could put this on your helmet or some kind of uneven surface. So which is what I've seen a lot of people do for these, especially when they're riding their bike or something like that. Probably even something like skydiving. And then again, you can attach it through here, right here, to the bottom right there. So it'll go right there. Then you have other screws for that. You have this one too. Another feature it has is voice commands. Here's an example. GoPro, start recording. See, it's starting to record. GoPro, stop recording. There you go. And of course, you can also use the buttons here to stop recording, but it's probably a lot easier when you got it on your helmet, stuff like that. Also, here's the microphone that I attached. Comes off pretty easy, so you got to be careful with that. Okay, here are some of the options you have at the screen. The one here you have with the 1x, that's actually how fast it will go. Sometimes you want to do something slow motion, it can go up to, I guess, 12% of the time, or 8 times slower than normal. Then you have here, which is the lenses, the fields of view. Just change it by going here. Then you have this option here, which is this quality. You can go to 4K. And the highest quality, 5.3K. Actually haven't done that one yet. Stay at 4K for now. The last one you have here is framing. So it'll do framing, it'll be widescreen. Then you do vertical, I guess you do that for shorts on YouTube. And then you have the full frame. Pretty cool stuff. Here's a few other things that you have on here. If you just scroll to the left, it's on video right now, but there you got one for time lapse. You got some options there to go to. Go back to video. And you also have, I'm gonna scroll to photo. And again, it has some of the other options which are similar to the video. So you can kind of go through there and try those out. One other thing I want to point out here is this doesn't come with a SanDisk, at least the one I didn't. And mine was the most expensive one. So anyway, this is what I bought, and here's where the SanDisk was. I bought a 128, but I've seen people suggest 256 or 512 gigs. So anyway, you won't be able to use this with the actual GoPro, but on some computers you could do that to plug them in that way. And I guess if you don't use the USB-C. So just something to think about when you buy one of those. Because when I bought this, the guy didn't tell me, so I had to go back and get one. Okay, this is a different kind of connector. It could go with the 3M sticker one. As you'll see though, it's a little shorter. Got a different screw there. But you could also slide that in there because it will go when you pull this out up and then you pinch it and it'll slide in. Another thing about this is if you want to power it off, you got to use this button here to power it off. So just hold to that for like 3 seconds and then it'll power off like that. And there you go. And last of all, these may seem like extra parts, but they're still needed. This right here is actually what is part of the camera, but you have to take it off in order to slide it in here into this case. So, and then there's this one which will allow you access to plug in for the USB-A, or USB-C rather. So these parts are needed, and they come off pretty easily, so you got to be careful. So keep these if you take them off. You'll notice in the instructions to take this part off, because this is part of the camera when it comes there without the case, but to slide it in there, you got to take that off. So And then again, there's the nice bag that it came with it. So this was about $550 American. That was before the SD card. The bag, like I said, came with it. And then obviously if you want to buy like a warranty, I got one for 2 years for about $50. So total with all the tax, this was I think about $660. So if you're gonna get this, you know, make sure you know that you're gonna be spending some money, but looks to be worth it. You know, you can take this underwater. There's also another little case you can get for the water. But you also have to be careful some of the electronics with that. But that's another thing. I haven't gotten any of that yet. So, but if I do go to the Caribbean, I may want to buy one of those so I can do something like that. All back in the case. Fits in there nicely. So like I said, you don't have to buy one. So if you ever get one of the high-end ones, which this one is the 13 black, you can go ahead and don't worry about getting a case. So in case somebody says they want to get you a case, don't do that. So anyway, you can just carry this with you, close it up, carry it like this. I'm not sure if this is waterproof, but this is a very nice case. Anyway, if you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. They're more about travel, but I will be using this on my travel. And make a comment, please.